Are you looking for a new tool for students to be able to showcase their learning? Well, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to introduce you to Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is a media creation tool that will allow your students to create short videos, web pages, and infographics. Hi, I'm Amy, one of the Technology and Innovation Coaches, and I'm here to guide you on how to create an Adobe Spark account and create assignments in Canvas using it as an external tool. First, you're going to go to spark.adobe.com. Select Sign In and log in with the school account. Enter your email address and then select Continue. Select company or school account, and now you're ready to begin designing. Two of my favorite features are utilizing and recreating the ready-made templates for education and using the projects features to collaborate and design templates with colleagues. Want to level up your Spark usage? Try integrating with Canvas. To do this, select assignments from your course, select new assignments, enter your assignment information, then you're going to select External Tool for submission type. Select Find, select Adobe Spark. Here you can create a new template or attach a blank web page, video, or post. You can also attach your pre-made Spark projects. Here's how your students can submit their Adobe Spark assignments in Canvas. From their Canvas course, they'll select Assignments, then select their Adobe Spark assignment. They'll need to remember to select Always Allow Pop-ups and Redirects from powayinstructure.com. They'll need to enter their password and select Sign In. In order to allow Adobe Classroom to access their account, students will need to select Authorize. They'll need to make a copy of the Adobe Spark assignments, so then they'll select Make a Copy. Then they can edit their Adobe Spark project or assignment, and when finished, they can select Share. From the drop-down menu at the top, they'll select Turn into Canvas. Then they'll select the course and assignment they want to attach their Spark project to. Finally, they'll select Turn In. I know there are a lot of apps out there, and keeping your students' work organized while they use them can be challenging. Adobe Spark provides you a one-stop shop to provide students with choice in how they showcase their learning while keeping their work in a central location. So how might you use Adobe Spark with your students? I hope this has sparked your interest. Thanks for watching.